welcome to Ashton's workshop. And today we're going to be drawing a sloth bear, so hope you follow along with me. You have paper and something to color with, but today I'm going to be doing something different. I'm going to be using an Apple Pencil with the iPad. So let's get started. The first step, we're going to draw its head. And make sure the head's very fuzzy for this one, because sloth bears are the only bears that have very thick hair, but there's some others that have do. We're just only going to be doing the head for today. And now let's do the ears. Now we're going to do the hairs on the sides. I'm going to do it on the other side. I'm going to add some little hair here as well to make it even more cuter. We're going to add another ear. And if you want to fix the ears, you can. Right now, I'm going to fix this one as well, since I made it too big. Next, we're going to draw the eyes. And their eyes are very tiny compared to other bears. These bears are found in Asia and India. They have poor eyesight, so they use their sense of smell to find their way. Now it's time to make the snout. Now let's make the patch of the bear. Their patch is V-shaped or Y-shaped, but today we're going to do the V-shaped. Now let's make the nose. Now we made the mouth. And lastly, we're going to do its eyes in the inside. So there we have it. Now we're going to start coloring it. So with this, we're going to make it black because sloth bears are considered black bears, but not the black bears from North America. So any of you who has an Apple Pencil, they can draw what I'm doing or use different tools to color it. If any of you have paper, you could just do it like the way you normally do it. And I'm going to make this a little thinner, so it can be much more easier, so I don't have to color through the whole eye. And I'm going to be using the color grid soon, so I can find the perfect gray-brown color. for the snout. And I'm going to be using the paintbrush for that one. And you can guys color it any way you like it. So, now let's make the perfect color for this. And now, let's do the coloring on the patch. Now let's do the nose. The nose, I'm going to use a different color for this one. I'm going to use like a mauve color. So here's the nose. I'm going to make the dark in the inside. And if you want, you can make the eye color. Because for me, I'm going to use the eye color like the same thing like the nose does. And there we have it. Here's our Sloth Bear. So I bet you like it when we have a lot of fun to color. And this is going to be the end of this video. Hope you guys have a very good weekend.